ahead, Kagawad Alex.
So, yun, first of all, foremost, our kapitan po is very thankful na naging host po kami dito, Chairman Jaja Jose. Privilege po sa amin yan for our barangay. And i-flex ko na rin po, hands-on po ang kapitan namin dito. Though we came from different parties or group, sinika po ng kapitan namin na ma-unite po kami. So all committees fair and just na nabigyan ko ng mga committee to handle and responsibility. Then our chairman is very open to uplift every barangay kagawad dito po sa amin. So no political involved, but more on purely public service po. Kaya mamaya itutur ko po kayo to show some projects initiative by our chairman, tapos pinagkatiwala po sa amin ito ng hydroponics and aquatic park po we have here in Tagio. And through the help din po ng by the way, my committee is under social welfare and development, so more on solo parents, senior citizens, and PWD. So meron po kaming format of reporting pagdating po sa paggawa ng mga resolutions and ordinances. And I have my summary, if you don't mind to, Mr. Chair, I will show you. Recite ko lang po. Ito po. We have record of authored and co-authored ordinance, resolution, and initiative through your, at your service, Kagawad Alex Ignacio, under Committee Chairman of Social Welfare and Development, Barangay Gulomandoyo. So, Barangay Ordinance number 1, for the prevention and control of proliferations of informal settlers and mendicants. So, though we don't have mendicant sa mga informal settlers, aligned with the ILG request, yung nagkaroon po kasi ng meeting. So, naggawa po ako ng isang ordinances and submitted to the DL, and we're blessed. They acknowledge our ordinance naman po to help not only our barangay, but to become a model of that ordinance in other cities po. Ordinance number 2 po is about promoting public health for preventing fetal arrhythmia and reducing prolonged mobile gaming among expectant mothers and general population. So, ako po yung isang principal authors nito. Kung kilala nyo yung isang chairman ng mobile agent na naglaro, ang kinamatay niya is arrhythmia. So, dahil sa matagal na paglalaro ng mobile gaming. So, we propose for the ordinance for this, for the safe and health issues po. So, napasa ko na rin po ito sa City Hall. So, part 2 po is about resolution. So, one of my resolution na na-order ko po is yung centralized solicitations from barangay councils. Ang co-order ko po dito is si Kagawad Richard Sanders, Committee Chairman. One of our constraints as Kagawads, the solicitations. So, kung kanya-kanya magtatambol sa, so we decided and we'll come with the solutions na magkaroon ng tinatawag na synchronized synchronized solicitation. So lahat ng solicit dito lang po equally divided po yun. So funded and ng ating barangay. So we are very thankful to our kapitan kasi binigyan po kami ng for tinatawag natin humanitarian. So we receive additional 10,000 every month. Part of a part of our honorary additional 10,000
For financial assistance.
for po yan, humanitarian, not only financial assistance, humanitarian, including health or CDC,
Yeah, financial assistance. Overall.
overall financial assistance. So this practice you can adapt for everyone po, so that the Kagawad Council and your barangay can ease din po doon sa problema. Tapos so number 3 po natin, ito yung mga proposal and initiative po natin. Propose to provide mutual funds and free life accident insurance sa elected barangay Kagawad. So proponent po tayo yan. Kasi we understand the needs of every Kagawad. Pag natapos, wala na. So what will happen then? So pag na-accident yan, Sa kabuuan po ng, we have Sama Ka Ba dito, samahan ng mga kagawad sa Mandaluyong. We propose na magkaroon po sila ng mga insurances like this, saka mutual fund po. So pag natapos po ng termino ng isang kagawad, meron po siya makukuha. Mag-aksidente si kagawad, meron po siya makukuha. So we looking forward lagi sa what we can do to help our co-kagawad in the future po. So this will be can be adapted from other barangay din po.
Uh, Kagawad Alex, with regards to the proposal, maybe we can slip it in the minutes of the meeting, since the proposal is only a proposal.
That's right.
Baka magkamali yung ating mga colleagues natin to report, baka may report, eventually yun ang iisipin. So siguro ang pwede natin mailagay doon sa minutes of the meeting o sa highlights ay yung mga approve, para at least may report man ng ating mga colleagues dito, approve na yun, na pwede i-adapt yung other kasi hindi tayo pwede mag-present any other proposals kung hindi pa na-approve. So wala silang pagbabasihan.
I stand corrected, Mr. Chairman. So thank you for clarification. But this matter is on the other proposal already delivered to the councils, but subject for approval. So for clarification, this is not yet ordinance or resolution. So just sharing with you so that you can have some ideas. Maybe it might be na ma-approve po dun sa area po. So we have also one of my resolution din po is nung tinatawag na paglagay po ng tinatawag.
Is that approved
This
resolution?
is approved resolution. Sorry na
You may proceed.
naiwalay lang. One of the approved resolutions is yung tinatawag po natin ng sticker seal for PWD. So we provide the sticker seal for every PWD with the permission and consent of the PWD residents na malagyan sila. Ang purpose po nito not to humiliate them, but for the cases na magkaroon po ng tinatawag ng big one, accident, or disasters and calamity, we can easily identify who are the priority to should be given ng response, bigyan ng solution or response. So ma-identify na, oh ito may PWD dito, so ito lang natin. Sa mga ayuda din, oh ito ang PWD. So we can easily identify in our barangay na meron. So this is the first or resolutions that we made na adapted po ng city. Ang city ngayon in-adapt sa credit resolution na to. Ay, ang resolution na to na maging ordinance po na partner with the disasters team ng buong Mandaluyong po. So, yun
Just want to ask some inquiry. This resolution is approved under the barangay.
under the barangay.
So, under the barangay, the City Council of Mandaluyong adopted or was proposed by other councilor.
Proposed by other councilors to be adopted and implemented.
Okay. Go ahead now.
Okay po.
Kagawad.
So, that's all lang po. That's all, Mr. Chair. In addition po, as mentioned earlier, so one of our constraint as kagawad, marami po tayong mga nasasakupan na laging humingi ng gamot. So, Mr. Chairman asked me to get some meet and greet or to set an appointment with the chairman of the MBBP.
MBBM.
MBBP, something like that. Movement for Better Philippines kasi under this
MBBP.
under the agency of Bongbong Marcos, President Bongbong Marcos, overseen by his wife, First Lady Lisa. Pwede po tayo gumawa ng MOU to provide po nila or to support us with regard to sa mga medical maintenance po. with the requirements lang po. So magsaset po tayo ng appointment and I will advise the committee or chairman po regarding this.
Kagawad Alex, maybe later, since we have quorum, then the agenda will proceed with the appointment of Kagawad Doc Aguinaldo to be headed under health. So, napakaganda nun, no? Yung nire-report ni Kagawad Alex para mag-materialize ang ang bawat cluster, siya na yung magiging focal person natin, siya na rin ang makikipag-coordinate relative doon sa program. Pero bago natin gagawin yon, so we will conduct a meeting or we will request a meeting. Ano nga ba yung magta-transpire during the meeting? It will be included in the MOU. So para lahat gumalaw, hindi mabigat para sa inyong presidente na tutukan yan, dapat yung proper delegation. So, napakahalaga ng mga bawat cluster na kinikilos, lalo na yung when we say mobilize or in short, recruitment for those who want to join. Kasi minsan, hindi lang sila na reach out tayo mag-reach out. Pero hindi naman natin pwedeng pilitin sa kanilang dito. Parang ganito, tayo nag-reach out, pupunta, many are called. Yun, kukunti lang ang So anyway, mamaya ayusin natin. Wait, Kagawad. So ayusin natin yung gagawin nating proposal. Then I will ask the board to lead, to lead with the coordination and cooperation with the MPPT for maintenance medicine. Okay? Yes, Kagawad Boots.
May I request a 5-minute break?
Okay. 5 minutes.
Tama ako na nga to.
5 minutes break
nito.